So the newest question we have, what is better, cash versus contingent, or contingent offer versus cash? Now you would say to yourself, duh, duh, the cash offer is better. But let's talk about it. When you have a cash offer, obviously cash is king, right? Somebody comes in and says, you're asking $100,000. I'm going to give you cash. We're going to do our inspections and that's it. There's no finance. There's nothing else, right? You would think that's great. That's absolutely great. Why would I take a contingent offer? Hey, Kerin, what exactly is a contingent offer? Let's talk about it. A contingent offer is when somebody has a house to sell, or it's contingent to something, right? So the contingency could be, I have a house to sell. It's contingent to that, or it's contingent to me making sure that I get this job, that it gets through. It's basically, I will buy your house if, right? That's the thing. I will buy your house if. So why would a contingency ever be better than a cash offer? And this is a great question, because 99.9% of the time you'd be like, that's a dumb question. And even though no questions are dumb, that's what I'm saying. Yes, it's a great question. And here's why. Let's say I'm a seller and I'm selling my house for $100,000. And somebody comes in and says, listen, I want to buy your property. It is contingent, but I want to buy your property. And with that being said, I will give you $105,000, or I'll give you money in escrow right now. The contingency will only be a week or two. Please give me time. I'll even do my inspections during this time frame right now. This is a good thing to do, right? So we don't have to go in the contract. I'll actually do my due diligence now. Okay. And so you don't have to pull your house off the market, and it'll be a strong offer. And if it doesn't go through, it doesn't go through. But the cash offer is maybe $90,000 or $85,000, I should say. Just because it's a cash offer doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a better offer, depending on the market, right? So do I want to risk $15,000 going with the contingency offer, which still might go through, and passing on the cash offer? Maybe the house just went on the market recently. Maybe it's like a brand new listing, right? Or maybe the contingency offer is going to be quick and the cash offer will wait a little bit. So just because you have a cash offer doesn't always mean it's the best offer. I mean, I've had cash offers where they come in and they want 15 days inspections, and on the 14th day, they're like, I don't want the property anymore. Or they try to renegotiate because they think by getting you hooked, right? Because they're cash, you're stuck. It's not necessarily like that. Well, especially when you have someone like me representing you. But contingency offers, yes, can be a gamble depending on how long they need the contingency. Contingency offers can be a gamble if it's a domino effect, meaning like, hey, I need to sell my house to buy yours, and the buyer that's going to buy mine needs to sell theirs to buy mine. I've seen that happen before. And do they work out? Yeah, sometimes they do. Sometimes they don't. But I just wanted to do this video because a lot of times everyone's like, cash is the best offer. It's not always the best offer. Look at the offer, how it's presented. Yes, it's cash. Great. Is it cash with a ton of inspection? What kind of offer cash is it? Is it even a good cash offer? Find everything out. Okay. Do your due diligence, because the contingency offer might be worth the gamble to take. If it's a lot more money. Now, if it's like 90,000 and 95,000, no. If it's, 90,000 and 100,000, maybe not. Who knows? I'm just using roundabout figures. More than that, yeah, it might be. It definitely might be, right? Or you can use the contingency offer against the cash offer, or vice versa. So that's why every question is great to ask, because there's different scenarios for everything. There's not a right answer. There's never, ever just a 100% right answer, unless you're saying, should I call the Kerin Group for all my real estate needs? And then the answer is, yep, 100%. So yeah, keep following me, because I love to teach you guys and I love to showcase different things and what is better than this and that. Rat-a-tat-tat. I don't know. I'm losing my mind. By the way, look, it's like one of my favorite pens. Look at this little guy. That little cape. Anyway, I'm losing my mind today. Happy Thursday, and talk to you soon. Bye.